Hello, PhoenixTypewriter.com here. Today we're going to show off our newly repainted Selectric one in this custom white and black hammer look. Came out pretty nice. Machine used to be a really ugly green, if you can believe that. Green and these nice blue keytops did not work. So we decided to go with this color. We still got some original arms here we repaired. Labels match. What a beauty. This is a beautiful looking and working typewriter. It just came out fabulous. So now's the time to powder coat an IBM Selectric. Don't know if it was the easiest 1, 2, 3, but it sure came out awesome. It's a beauty. I'd like to keep this machine for myself, but I can't do it. It's got to go. But it looks great even inside. This is painted throughout, so you know, even the underside of the lid is done here, and the case and everything is just stunning. It's one of the best Selectrics I've ever seen now, I gotta tell you, especially with this blue accents. It's just fabulous. So that's our quick little video. Good day.